Hello, I am Chandrasekhar, CEO, Shakers Research and Development International, Hyderabad, India. Today, I am going to talk about the importance of goals. Goals are very much important in the lives of human beings. Goals are something that we want to accomplish in future. By fixing goals, by working on goals, by achieving goals, one can reach to any great heights irrespective of their socio-economic conditions. Goals gives us energy to work, goals gives us motivation to work, goals gives us inspiration to work, and goals gives us a direction to work. And you might have seen that there are many people who never fix any goals. These people are like the feathers in the air. You might have seen that many times when the wind blows, the lightweight items like the feathers, the dry leaves, they move in the air the way the air blows. Suppose if the wind blows from north to south, they move from north to south. If the wind changes its direction from north to south to west, they move from south to west. Like that they move in the wind since they do not have any destination. It is just like that. Those people who do not have any goals, they will be also like the feathers in the air. And there are many examples of great personalities who fixed goals, who persistently worked on goals, who achieved the goals and reached to the great heights. Abraham Lincoln, Thomas Alva Edison, Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, Stephen Hawking. Like that there are many great people who fixed goals, who persistently worked on goals and they reached to the great heights. And people of any age can fix goals. Even if a person at the age of 20 years or 30 years, they can fix goals. Even a person after the retirement at the age of 60 years or 70 years after achieving some great heights, even they can also fix some goals and achieve some more great heights. And even the persons at the age of 80 years, 90 years or even 100 years on the bed, literally on the bed, they can also fix goals, they can work on goals and they can reach to the great heights, still more great heights. And very interestingly that those people who at the old age, who fixed goals and working on goals, achieving the goals, their lifespan will be increased. And one can fix goals in any areas. In the area of health, education, wealth, family relations, career, professions, business, industry, social service, and politics. There are many areas, even sports, music, anyone can fix goals. There are three types of goals: short-term goals, mid-term goals, and the long-term goals. Short-term goals may range from 1 month to 1 year, and mid-term goals may range from 1 year to 5 years, and the long-term goals may range from 5 years to 10 years or 20 years or so. And before fixing goals, if anyone has to keep one principle in mind, that is the SMART, the principle of SMART. SMART is S-M-A-R-T, SMART. S stands for specific, M for measurable, A for achievable, R for realistic, T for time bound. So the goals must be very much smart. And one more very important thing that one should keep in mind while fixing goals is that SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis in the SWOT, S-W-O-T, SWOT. S stands for strengths, W stands for weaknesses, O stands for opportunities, T stands for threats. So one has to assess their strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats before fixing the goals. Whatever may be the SWOT analysis, one should always aim for the big goals because the big goals gives the big motivation. So one should always aim for the moon in their trials to achieve the moon, in their trials to reach the moon. Even if they do not reach the moon, at least they will be landed on the stars. and one can fix any number of goals basing on their interest and need. So one has to just list out the number of goals what they want to achieve, and after listing out the goals, prioritize what goal you have to achieve first and what next basing on your interest and the need. And after fixing goals, you have to make a very detailed plan. A plan in which you need to discuss, make a note of many things. After fixing the goal, you have to make a detailed plan about your goal. What are all the resources that are required to achieve the goal, and what resources you have in your hand, and what resources you need to acquire, and what are all the capacities that are required to achieve the goal, what capacities you have in your hand, and what capacities that you need to acquire, and what are all the skills that are required to achieve the goal, and what skills that you have in your hand, and what are all the skills that you need to acquire, and what are all the activities that you need to achieve, what are all the sub activities you need to achieve that goal. So it is just like that. You should make a very detailed plan, and planning is most important, because a well planned construction may collapse at times. But a construction without a proper plan is bound to collapse. So planning has that much of importance. And after fixing the goal, you must print it in your notepad or notebook or in your laptop. And daily you must read the goal at least 3 times. So morning, afternoon, night time, like that. And most importantly, you should print your goal where? In your mind. You should indelibly print your goal in your mind, because mind is the source of energy. Mind is the source of motivation. So you should fix it in your mind. And when you are working to achieve some goal, maybe your relatives or friends or someone known to you may discourage you. You should never listen to their words, because maybe your strengths are different, their strengths are different. Your strengths are very high, maybe their strengths are very low. Your opportunities are very high, maybe their opportunities are very low. Maybe your weaknesses are very low, their weaknesses are very high. Maybe your threats are very low, their threats are very high. So that is the reason they may say that they may discourage you, but never listen to their words. And most importantly, even you don't have to listen to your negative mind. Sometimes we get discouraged. So you don't have to listen even to your own negative mind. Always rely upon your positive mind. So you should, and you can fix any number of goals, as I said. But most importantly, you have to focus on only one goal at a time. That is the most important. Your main goal, you have to focus on it. Because if you fix many goals and start focusing on 2, 3, 4 goals at a time, you may not achieve anything. So focusing on your main goal is most important thing. Maybe you have to work for half an hour or 1 hour a day for your long-term goals. That's a different thing. And to achieve any goal, you need to have the qualities like desire, a strong desire, a burning desire. You need to have it, and a belief in yourself, a strong belief in yourself, and the determination, a strong determination. You need to have it, and your concentration, your commitment, your continuous efforts. All these are the qualities which you need to achieve any goal. And there are two categories of people. One who always think positively, one who always fix goals, work on goals and achieve the goals and reach to the great heights, and after that again they go on just fixing goals and working on goals. It is just like that. They make it as a habit of fixing goals, working on goals, achieving goals, like that. And there is another category of people who always think negatively, who never fix any goals, never work on any goals, and they don't achieve anything. They will be there just where they are. They are only. Friends, remember that our today's position is not permanent. Maybe today you may not have any resources. Maybe today you may not have any capacities. Maybe today you may not have any skills to achieve any goals. But if you have a strong desire, if you start climbing the ladder step by step, you can achieve anything. So friends, believe strongly in one thing. Your destination is in your hands only. Your destination is in your thinking only. So that's why Dr. Norman Vincent Peale said, you can if you think you can. So friends, fix goals, work on goals positively, and you can achieve anything. And remember one thing, we are all born to win. We are all born to win, yes. If we think positively, we can achieve anything. So friends, please fix the goals, work on goals, achieve the goals, and reach to the great heights like many other people who achieve great heights in this world. In the process of fixing goals, working on goals, achieving goals, if you require any of our services, please contact at our email address or phone number. We are ready to help you. Thank you, friends. Thank you.